Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a LinkedIn account. First, we're going to want to navigate to LinkedIn. From here, we're going to want to press New to LinkedIn, Join Now. We're going to enter our email address, and then we're going to create a password. Now we enter our name, here it's going to ask for our location and our most recent job title, and we can also select that we're a student if we are. Next, we're going to have to confirm our email address. So we go ahead and enter that, and then it's going to ask us if we're looking for work. And after that, it will suggest some people for us to follow. We can skip this for now. We can add a photo if we wish. Then it will prompt us to download the app if we want to have the app. After this, it will recommend a few companies to follow, and we're all done and finished. Thank you for watching.